Do you find yourself needing to use a lead screw in an application, but you don't know where to start? Whether it's will the product work or how long it'll last for? We here at IGUS have an online tool made to help you navigate our products. Hi, my name is Nick Isabella, and I'm the lead screw product specialist here at IGUS. Today we're going to be discussing exactly how you can spec in an IGUS lead screw with our online product finder. Let's get started. Once you get to the IGUS homepage, all you need to do is scroll over the configurator tab. From there you can see linear technology, and we're selecting the lead screw product finder. Once you get to the product finder homepage, you'll see that IGUS has a multitude of nut geometries to choose from, cylindrical or flange, then different types of flange or cylindrical nuts, whether it be zero backlash, anti-backlash, a preload, spanner flat, or a standard flange. For this situation, we're going to be taking a look at how long an injection molded flange nut would last. Now, for applications where you're just starting out and you don't necessarily have anything spec'd in or any idea of where you want to go, you can select everything that we have, whether it be trapezoidal thread, metric, or our high helix lead screws. Now, if you do know what you want, you can select that specifically. Here in this situation, we'll be taking a look at dry spin 12x5. From there, you're going to select a lead screw material. Again, you can choose from stainless steel, aluminum, or carbon steel. And you can also select a lead screw nut material, or you can just have them all selected, so that way IGUS can make the best recommendation for you. On the next page, you're going to be listing any type of information that's pertinent to your application, from moisture absorption to high temperatures, a need for FDA compliance, how you're holding your lead screw, whether it be fixed or fixed loose or fixed free. And then you're going to be putting in the actual application information. What we're really looking for, and what really helps us determine how long an IGUS product will last for you, is the load, the speed, the duty cycle, and the stroke of the application. Here we have an application that is geared towards high speeds and lower loads. Here on this next page, you can see the results of the application and how long this lead screw nut will last for approximately. You can see here that the screw should last you about 3.5 million cycles, and the required torque to drive that screw is 0.344 Newton meters. This will help you then spec in a motor for your application if you're going to use one. Here you can see that there are several different materials that are being recommended for this application: E7 and iGlide J. iGlide J is our all-around material, but E7 was made specifically for high speed and low load applications. Further down on the screen, you can see here that we have the lead screw nut that we had selected, which was an injection molded lead screw nut, and the screw itself. And here on the last page, if you choose to, you can actually purchase the parts that you have in your configuration directly through the product finder. As you can see, it's extremely easy to use IGUS's lead screw product finder. Now it's your turn. In the description below, click the link to try it today. If you've already spec'd the lead screw into your application, we have a second link to a video showing you our lead screw configurator for you to customize the lead screw in your application. Thanks for watching.